Hello, my friends. So we are working on off the board today, and I wanted to play with some more bright colors, and I have this great kit that was sent to me from the scrapbookingstore.com store, and I am on the design team. So they did send me these goodies because they're so very kind. So for the most part, it's the Echo Park collection called Summer Fun. I've got a little bit of trim left, one washi tape, and a couple frames. I think these are Dear Lizzie frames. Now the off the board component that I was looking at, look at this right here. And this went really sideways in my head quickly, but I can explain it to you. All right, so I was flipping through and I have, like a category that just reads scrap. So anything to do with scrapbooking, right? Well, I liked the bright colors and it made me want to use a cut file. Sorry, people keep popping in. So it made me want to use a cut file. Great. So I thought I'd look in my pre-cut cut files, and I found this adorable one that looks like a giant teacup with flowers. I'm like, okay, I can fill that in. That would be fun, right? And it's going to take a while and it'll be fun and a little laborious, all that kind of stuff. Great. You're staying with me. And there's something in here that goes with it. I don't know what it is. Okay, so I have that. Now somehow this makes sense to me to do this little set of photos of my youngest bulldog. This was the day that he discovered that he likes lakes. We took him to my son's girlfriend's house and she lives on a lake. And it's super shallow right now. Like it's like that much right off from her property. And he kept jumping in and out from the lake into the grass back and forth. And he was having himself the best time ever. So it's a summertime layout, even though it doesn't really look like it, of my big boy here. And I'm going to back my cut file with this. I mean, really for the off the board piece, you saw like what I liked from it. It was the bright colors, a cut file, and we're gonna go from there. That's all I know so far. So I'm gonna pick my background because it's gonna have to be something kind of plain. That's kind of plain. So I'll pick a plain background that's not, and I'm gonna fill in my cut file. And then the next thing I'll do is come to you and share. Yep, this is my plainest one, the pink one, and share where I am with it. Okay, wish me luck. All right, friends, so this is kind of where it is. I have a giant sticker stuck on me. So all I did was fill in like the floral bits, right? And the teacup. I figure that's plenty. It's a lot of tone on tone, and I like that. This is busy enough. So we're trying, we're trying to calm ourselves. All right, so that pattern is the same with this one. So I'm gonna use that down below here to give my teacup kind of a resting place. And I think I'm going to do that thing where you don't go all the way across. Why? No reason. No reason at all. Just deciding as we go. All right, got that. So I have that for my sticker. Now this piece right here, I'm just going to be lightly tacking it down because I do like the vibe of being able to see like a little movement with it, and you can get that from these really thin little cut pieces. So let's see if we can line this up nicely. I mean, so as things go, this layout is like getting close to done already, just from the nature of me already doing the cut file. Cut files have a tendency to take over your entire page, or at least my entire page. Now, in this poor little cut file, it's been tortured, just hanging out with my things. So you should feel bad for it. I feel a little bad for it. Okay, so I have this, and I was going to have these little guys kind of do one of these. And I mean, these pictures are actually hilarious. So I can do that and have them both under the cut file a little bit, which I like. And it's leaving that to have a nice little place to rest as well. So I think we're going to commit to that. Now, so far, I don't have any dimension on this page. Oh, I've been using the tape runner adhesives, and I love it. I'm on the design team for them, and I absolutely am loving the adhesive. I know, little PSA there. Okay, I'll go like that. And then let's get this, and then I have to come up with a title and all that kind of stuff. It's just so cute. All right, so I can use that to line it up to know if things are even. I have gluey bits. Okay, now I'm going to come up with the title and a couple of extra little pieces to stick in, and seriously, that's how quick this layout's going to go together. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I came up with a nice little title, which is just Lake Life, and I have the set of Dear Lizzie's vintage stickers. Let's see, when did I even get them? Oh, I got them in 2019. That's not bad, but they were originally sent out from, or put out from a Dear Lizzie collection in 2015. Very cool. Oh, and from my sticker sheet from Echo Park, I liked this little sweet summertime. I mean, this pattern right here is actually from Watermelon, and I put it on a little bit of foam bits. So I'm going to kind of have it as part of my title. I'm going to put that on and find the last little decorative bits and be right back. All right, quick check-in. I'm telling you, this feels so incredibly simple. And I keep looking at it and I like it, but it feels so simple. So let me just show you what I have. Pretty easy peasy. I think I'm just going to add a little bit of gold mist. I brought gold over here. There's a little gold in my writing. And I'm going to add a little bit of gold mist splatters. And I'm going to call it done. I really like it. I like that I was inspired by a pin on Pinterest, which is what we are doing here. And yeah, I think just a little bit of mist so it feels like mine, because you know I tend to be a little bit messy in the things that I do. Thought I would just kind of go for it. And I'll finish it up with you. I'm going to do a little bit heavier, I think, around the title. That might be nice, because my title is a bit of a subtle, more of a champagne gold, which I love. And this is kind of a yellow gold. So, oops, little mist on the photo. Comes right off with my printing process, though. All right, my friends, here we go. That is it, just a little bit of extra mist, and this layout is complete. I hope you like what I don't have words. I hope you like what I came up with today. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll have links for all the other crafters who are involved in Off the Board today. Bye-bye, friends.